part. This is Sky Outfitters, buy one, give one. Buy one, give one. And this is camo socks. I might have to get this to my husband. That would be so cool. They're camo socks, and they're very, very nice. Sort of like, it reminds me of that brand, I think it's called Bomba. But this is called Sky Outfitters, and they're doing the same thing. When you buy a pair of socks, they give a pair of socks to homeless people. Very, very nice. Alright, what else did we get? Hold on. Here is a lip balm. Oh, this is Kind Lips Sweet Mint. This will go to my husband. It's a lip balm. And then this looks like it's for the beard. It's a very nice comb, as you can see. And that's probably to comb through the beard, and I bet there's some kind of wax or ointment or something that goes with that. Let's just keep going. It's probably going to more than one, y'all. A gift from Savannah that could change your life. Aww. 30 days of living centered. Practical roadmap to jumpstart your emotional wellness. Aww, that's great. OnSite is the name of it. It gave me a safe place to break down so that I could have a breakthrough. I finally realized that it's okay to not be okay. I like to say that God and OnSite saved me. I hope it can do the same for you. Oh, so she must have needed some emotional help. She went through a breakup after she got engaged, and it really, I'm sure it probably did a number on her. And Dr. Phil, America This Morning, New York Times, Wall Street Journal, and the doctors and ABC 2020 also apparently have mentioned this, but it's 30 days of living centered. So it's a practical jump start to your emotional wellness. So that's what it is, and that'll be cool. I'm trying to think, do I want to do that, or do I want to give that to someone? We'll see. Sanctuary Project. This looks like it's one of the pieces of jewelry they talked about, so let's see what it is. Hold on. Got to get it out of its little, this is kind of a cute little, not burlap, but it's like a old linen, old cotton. Sanctuary Project. We are a community of survivors and their advocates with a mission of creating beautiful projects with messages of hope. Our jewelry is designed and packaged by survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction who are in the process of restoring and rebuilding their life so that each piece represents hope. Aw, it's pretty. Okay, so this is a necklace, and it's just a white crystal. Now, I don't believe in crystals as like a supernatural power. That's witchcraft, but it's just a pretty necklace piece. It's, you know, the stones of the earth are absolutely lovely. I love quartz. I love diamonds. I love lots of things that are beautiful stones from the earth. So that's a beautiful necklace. And also these women are designing it, and it's where they have come out of trafficking, and they're trying to get into a life of entrepreneurship, and so good for them. I think that is awesome. Alright, here is, this is the holiday recipes from his wife Julie. This is a red leather recipe book. That's really nice, y'all. Of all the things that you got, this is a leather product. I mean, you know, yep, that's leather. Very, very nice. Holiday recipes. Let's see what it is. You know what else you could do? Put your recipe cards in here. Okay, so it's almost like a, what do you call a photo album, but you slide recipe cards in instead. And this is something for us older ladies that you could do. Y'all, this is a great idea. You can even get a recipe, get a photo album and do this. Just doesn't say anything about photos. Just maybe plain on the front or whatever, and put your recipe cards in it, and then pass them on to your children, your daughters, your sons. My son's a cook. Here's a card right here, but you can just make real pretty little cards yourself. And this one is for shortcake, strawberry shortcake with homemade whipped cream. And this is Julie's. And so you would, here's a great example of how you would put this in here. Let's put this in here. And it just makes a recipe book by sliding it in and then passing it on. Look how nice that is. Holiday recipes. Isn't that pretty? So make them real pretty and nice. Maybe write real pretty. And then also she gave a gorgeous towel. She picked out a kitchen towel. That's very, very lovely. Christmas blessing. That's beautiful. Wow, that's a gorgeous towel, y'all. I love this kind of white and red plaid. And then this heavy embroidery. Christmas blessing. It's got the little olive or holly branch. It's got a little cardinal on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. That looks so pretty. And it's linen. It's very, very beautiful. And it's from Brownlow Gifts. It's a tea towel. Brownlow.com. So, brown, the color brown, LOW.com. So go check that out. That's really, really nice. That was a nice selection. They've made sure that they made nice selections of everything. So let's go to the next thing. I'm trying to feel for it. There we go. There's some. I have to tell you, I absolutely hate this. I hate this kind of confetti. I know people think, well, but it's good for the environment. Well, it's not good for my house. I just wish they'd use tissue paper. Ugh. And worse is the peanuts. So this is better than peanuts, but I hate that this is so messy. I wish they hadn't put that in there. That would be my only advice, is next time just let it be tissue paper. Or nothing. I know they have to have something so these things won't break. Okay, Christmas blessing. This is a beautiful spoon rest. Again, this is from Brownlow, BROWNLOW Gifts. And you can get these kind of items at brownlow.com. And that is beautiful. And again, it's got a little cardinal. So that's, I don't know if I want to keep that or give that. It's going to be a tough one because I absolutely love it. But what an incredible gift it could be to give those two things away. Wow. You know, sometimes I struggle with selfishness and wanting to keep everything versus give everything. So I don't know. It would be a really cool gift to do something like that. Is that it? I think that may be it. Nope, I feel something. Hold on. Can't remember if we've gone through everything on the list. Oh, here's the t-shirt. Favorite child. I have to send this to my sister. She doesn't watch my videos, so she won't see this. But look. Favorite child. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that's great. That is great. Look at that. It's a really nice quality shirt, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm going to have to I feel like my sister was the favorite child. She was firstborn, and she was the favorite. Okay. That's okay. That's okay if my mom had a favorite. Alright, and let's see. Here's the Sassy Black Eye Kit. I know exactly what I'm going to do with this, but I'm not going to say. Because I know that is definitely a gift, because I already have one, but I know someone who wants makeup for Christmas, and so, yeah. Alright, what else did we get? We got this beautiful, what is this? Oh, it's got to be a candle. A Chrisley candle. They're about candles, especially their son, because I ordered a candle from him. This is the Chrisley, A Very Chrisley Christmas. I love the smell. I can't cut it open, but I can tell you. I'm going to cut it open. Hold on. This is from the Wyatt Company. W-Y-A-T-T. Hold on, I'm getting it open with all these little. A Very Chrisley Christmas. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. I love the candle. It'd be great to share, but I'm going to keep this one now. Okay, and what else? Let's see here. A mask that says, love your neighbor. Oh, I'm definitely going to keep that. Love that. I have a lip gloss on, so I don't want to mess it up. Love that. I will definitely keep that. Then also the giving keys. I have done this before, but let's see what this key is. And embrace your word, then pay it forward. So what's our word going to be? Each key has a word on it. Mine is hope. So let's see what this one is. Let's see what it is. Hold on. I'm pulling it out of this little bag. Hold on. Maybe I'll make this part of a giveaway. Maybe I need to do a giveaway of some of these items. Inspire. I hope I do inspire. Maybe by paying this forward, I'll inspire. Or maybe I got to think of somebody that, I don't know if y'all can see, that it's engraved on this key. The word is inspire. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. We need to inspire others towards Jesus. So that is a very cool gift. I don't know if I'm going to give that to a friend or make it a part of my giveaway. I'm going to have to pray about that. That is a very, very cool thing. Now, here's the thing about the giving keys. Once you wear them, when you come across people in public who say, that's a cool necklace, that's when you take it off and you give it to them. And that's how you pay it forward. Or if you know someone that you feel you should give it to, you do that. In other words, it's not about keeping the necklace, it's about giving it. And that's why it's called the giving key. And it's a really nice linen bag with this nice leather strap. That's a really cool thing. Is that it? Oh no. Jesus Calling for Christmas. This is very cool. By Sarah Young. I have not even seen this yet, so that must be something new that's just come out. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of Jesus Calling. And let's see. Oh, so it's more oriented to be like a gift because it's got pictures. And it's got scriptures. And it's got little insights. And see, there's the 3 scriptures, and she may have a little insight that she wrote to go with it. Yeah. Very, very cool. Wow, that is beautiful. It retails for $15.99, so that's a very nice thing that she did, or that they did to include this. And the little berries have glitter on them, so that's a very nice little gift. I have to make this a gift. You know, one of the best things you can do is take things like that when you know the Lord and give them to people. I think that's it, y'all. Is that it? Well, that is very cool, and I think what I will do is call this out as a unboxing of A Very Chrisley Christmas. And I would encourage y'all, if you have not bought one, that's okay. I bought it and got all these very cool items for buying it. And now I'm going to be able to share some of them. I may keep some of them too. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. I'm fixing to do another one, but I think I'll single this one out because